With the Mardi Gras season in full swing, I'm Joshua Moten, your St. Mary Parish reporter, with a look at how our neighbors in Morgan City are enjoying the Mardi Gras parades. On Sunday, Morgan City hosted 3 back-to-back parades. The crew of Galatea, crew of Nike, and crew of Hannibal. The parades brought together local community members and visitors, creating an unforgettable Mardi Gras celebration. I spoke with Sarah Gill and her friends from Atlanta.
Happy Mardi Gras!
Who said the Mardi Gras festivities in Morgan City are unmatched.
It never stops. Yeah. It starts on Friday and never stops.
Lots of dancing, lots of music.
Mardi Gras in Morgan City is the best place to do Mardi Gras.
Amy Bacon says with multiple parades, each of them carried a different energy that kept the atmosphere both fun and refreshing.
I mean, we loved it. We loved the change in atmosphere and ambiance. All of them were amazing, so no complaints here. This is my kids' first real Mardi Gras experience, and they are loving it.
The one today is one of my favorites. They have the best bands,
Best throws.
the best dancers. It's such good weather, and I think at the time too, it's at 2. Everyone can come and enjoy some good music and
Parties all day long.
Kevin White, fully decked out in his Mardi Gras gear, tells me it's little moments like this that really get him into the Mardi Gras spirit.
You know, my one-piece jumpsuit wasn't available, so I had to resort to the Walmart special, and that's how it came about. Got together, spent time with our friends and family. I think that's probably the best part about it.
And with the energy so high, neighbors tell me they are just happy to enjoy all the Mardi Gras festivities. In Morgan City, I'm Joshua Moten, your St. Mary Parish reporter with KATC TV3.